Okay, here's a little greenhouse thing. Most of the stuff I got from the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. I'm not suggesting that any of you guys go out and buy that stuff now. I'm sure you have things around the house that you can improvise with. Well, here's some of the potting stuff. These strawberries are getting ready to go bad, so I'm going to make some strawberries. Start some strawberries from strawberries. This little greenhouse thing that I got with more of these seeds. Let's see what else we've got. Basil, organic, oh yeah, yummy stuff. This is all the stuff that I have just sitting out. Let's see what other goodies we have. I could use this as, we did a coloring project with my nieces and nephews on that. Here we go. This is what happened with that. Fun stuff here. I'll have to open it up later. But we drew little pictures. We outlined them with these little sticks that I got from my good friend Angel. And then I got a BB gun to practice my shooting. So I got all these army men so I could shoot them down. I still haven't done that yet. That's another project. You can watch me get better. And then there's always got to have seashells. And then some yarn. I don't know. And then just stuff. And more stuff inside here. What other goodies we got? Oh, yummy. That looks good. I can't wait to eat that. And then there's more goodies in here. Just stuff. Rocks that I've collected. Rocks that I bought from other artists. Her name was Michelle. It wasn't mine. Some little girl I bought it from. And then more of these. Anyway, here's another project I have, and these are little kits that I'm putting together for you guys so that you can buy the kit. This has a lot of acrylic colors in it for a starter kit, so we can paint together. See that? Isn't that cool? Yep. And then I've got a little jewelry storage thing that I have tons of jewelry that we'll be making. That's going to be fun. And then I have, of course, the palettes. You can order all this stuff from me. I have way too much. And then here's a sewing machine. Yeah, it was so cute and little. I had to get it. I'm like, yeah, I like that. So I put everything on my sewing stuff in here. And eventually I'm going to make me some masks too, because I don't know how quickly my sister will be able to get it for me, but I'm looking forward. But with this, I have to get some 4 AA batteries. I've got to get some more. So I'm excited to pull that out and see how I can use it just for little projects. Here's the directions. It's a sunbeam. I have to look at the manual. And then I've got all my sewing stuff, my little sewing kit right in here. And these are my bug out bags. That's another I'm working on. I started on these when I was in Texas. And I was afraid of tornadoes. So I've got lots of goodies, probably way too much. And then when the COVID-19 hit, this was my first bug out bag. It had everything. See, it's got all the little tools and stuff and fun stuff I've gathered. A thermometer, a whistle, and a compass that I'm learning how to use. Let's see. I'll go through all this later, but fire starter. Everything's in a waterproof kit. But I'm going to go through all these things later to show you what I have in my my extended bug out bag. These are really just duplicates of all other stuff. But anyway, that's it. So now I'm all ready to get going with all my creative little projects. This is my little table I've been sitting at. And that's how I keep my time. And you already saw all the other stuff. So that is it. Hope you enjoy the show.